In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $400 per day. Imagine waking up early in the morning, you just grabbed your mobile phone, and you see a new notification. Congratulations, you just earned $180, it's a direct deposit into your bank account. And immediately you receive another notification, congratulations, you just made another $400. This has become something really usual for me and many other people. Who knows, the secret will receive notifications like this daily, but today you could be one of us. This very short video will change your life. You've never seen this type of video. I'm going to review 4 different free apps that will pay you automatically with no work. You still have to download the app and log in every day to claim your money. Anyway, they work in the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, India, Nigeria, Pakistan, any countries in the world. So make sure you stay tuned and watch all the way until the end. Before we start, welcome to our channel where we teach you how to make money online. The simplest way, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. The first app that I will show you today is actually called App Karma. Now you can earn rewards by simply playing with this app. And this is 100% free, you don't need to invest any money. And the best thing about this is that they are working on both iOS and Android devices. Now you can earn the points on this app. You can literally redeem them on PayPal or different top brand gift cards. Click on this button to grab App Karma right on your phone. And once you install this app, you can instantly get 300 points for free, and every 100 points actually equal $1. Which means they're going to give you away $3 for free without doing anything. Now for those of you guys, if you want to multiply your earnings and making more money on App Karma, you can also refer other people to this app. You can see here, you can simply share your invite link or your referral code, and you can earn 30 of what your referrals earn. Now say for example, if you refer one person, now let's say, if they make $200, you can earn $60 for free without doing anything. The reason why this app is so powerful is because you can simply log in. As you can see here, you can earn daily rewards by simply logging into this app. And on top of that, every single time when you complete certain achievements or once you finish certain tasks, they're going to give you different badges, and all of these badges will help you to level up. App number 2, and the name is actually called SuperPay. Now you can go into superpay.me. Basically, you can make money online with free paid surveys. And they're really fast payment. Within 24 hours you can receive your money. They have a really low cash out threshold. You can work from home. You can instantly get 20 cents as a sign-up bonus. And at the time when I'm recording this video, they already paid out over $3 million to all of the members worldwide. Right on this app, you can join today for free and instantly receive 20 cents bonus when you join. And you can take part in different surveys and complete different offers. Once again, you can get paid and cash out your earnings in many different payment options, for example, PayPal Money, Tango gift card, Amazon gift. You can see here most of the cash out using PayPal. Just click on the button right here. And you can see here join free today, just click on that. And that's going to bring you to this page where you can register for free. Now just fill up your personal detail right here and your mailing address. They're accepting people from different countries in the world, and this is accepting worldwide. So right now you can just enter your payment details right here so they can get paid once you complete all of the tasks. App number 3 that I will show you today, where you can earn a lot of money by simply download them for free on your phone. The app name is InstaGC. Now you can go on to InstaGC, and once again this is working on your Android phones. This is working on your iOS devices. And in fact, I want you to comment down below and let me know what type of devices you are using. But basically, when you go onto the Facebook page of InstaGC, they're going to show you all of the payment proof. You can see here, congratulations for redeeming a $50 PayPal. Now if you don't have a PayPal account or bank account, you can also redeem your money in free an Amazon gift card. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back into the video. As you can see here, you can earn points for completing simple tasks. You can complete some simple surveys just by clicking on a few buttons and you can get paid. If you have 15 or 30 minutes a day, you can simply search on the web. You can browse on different websites And search on Google, and you will get paid for every single minute that you do. This method, which is watching videos, is one of my favorite because what you can do is that you can simply click on the play button and let the video run in the background, and you can open up multiple tabs to watch a lot of videos at the same time. That's how you can build multiple streams of income from just one single app. You can just simply put in your username, your password, and email address, and click on this button to sign up. And you can instantly get 10 points for free. App number 4, which is crazy, and the name here is actually Smart App. You can go to smartup.io. Basically, you can install and download this app for free on your mobile phone. And without doing anything, you can receive money every single month. So basically, this is how it works. You can just sign up for a free account and take a very simple survey to make sure that you are getting accepted. And after that, once you're qualified, you can install your device download. Make sure you turn on your mobile phone every single day, and you can receive free walls and free cash on your mobile phone. Now if you want to install this app, sign up for a free account. Click on this button, I would like to sign up. And that's going to take you to this page to answer a simple survey. And once you qualify, you can install this app on your phone. And you can earn passive income without doing anything. And now if you want to earn even more money, please check the first link on the details given below to learn how to earn free bitcoins using the best Bitcoin mining app for beginners 2021 this year. Whoever without can experience the past. Yes, it is possible, and I will show you exactly how to get there in that video. Check this out. Thanks a lot for watching, and be sure to like notification to drop for another subscription so you don't miss any new material. As always, I'll see you in the next few videos.